for us to drive to our
Your
thing.
brother.
So Major has his own Instagram page.
Oh
We've been chatting.
Wait, when can we go?
Let's go as soon as possible.
Can we go now? Hi. Oh my goodness. Look at Maple. You know who this is? Here we started with Tangled. Maple. Okay, Maple, ready?
Oh, wow. Do you think he knows
Who's your brother?
I don't know.
Oh, there we go. Oh, oh my gosh.
Oh my god!
Oh, go get him! Go get him! Maple always loses.
Whose tail is whose?
Oh,
By feel? Just by feel? Oh, this is a maple tail
Yeah,
right
that's
here
a
for
maple
sure.
tail.
I didn't cheat. That's so cute.
That is a cute.
Oh, hi, buddy.
Sit. A shake? Yes. You do shake?
Oh.
Can we do a down?
Gotta be
Be
closer
fun.
to you
I
than
want
my
to be closer to
brother.
the kibble.
And one of Major's tasks at work is, can you do a visit?
Maple's in the way. Maple, come here.
I can help.
There's a good visit.
I
Oh.
want to visit too.
He rests.
Oh.
Oh.
Maple.
That's so cute.
You just wanted to tweet her.
Oh, there we go. Come on, Maple.
Round two.
This is impressive.
I can't help you. I can't help you. Are you tired? Did you get tired?
Yeah, now.
Put your legs out.
Visit. Oh, out like this?
Visit.
Oh, visit. Visit.
You getting your therapy, Paul? Is it working?
Oh, it's working.
Oh, move your hand from underneath his head,
You
Oh.
rest.
and you'll get a
Oh.
rest.
Rest.
Oh yeah, this is working on me. It's like a weighted blanket, but so much cuter. Kisses. Oh, thank you. Say goodbye to your brother. Oh.
See you later. Bye,
Bye-bye.
Maple. See you next time.